So now that we've spent some time discussing organization from a digital standpoint, organizing your Chromebook, we are going to discuss how to best manage your time in a distance learning situation. Your teacher may give you a schedule to follow, but you may need to modify it or you may need to come up with something on your own that's going to work for you. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a student weekly schedule that was created and maybe shared with you. And then I'm also going to discuss how to potentially modify that schedule so that it works best with your personal responsibilities that you might have at home. The most important thing about your schedule is that you know what time each of your class starts. So each class will not be taking place every day. So you need to know what classes you're doing each day and how to log into those classes. And those might vary. The way to log in might vary from teacher to teacher. So you're going to have to make sure that you get that information from your teacher during the first week. You're also going to want to make sure that you schedule independent work time separate from the classes that you complete each day. For example, Monday or Tuesdays, you're going to be attending advisory, first, third, and fifth period if you're a secondary student. You're going to need to also set aside time to do work that may be assigned to you for your even numbered classes. Okay, and we'll look at a schedule and I'll talk about that in a little more detail. The other recommendation that I have for you in organization is that you either print out your schedule and hang it in your learning space, or you write it down, like in a composition book or somewhere. And then you have that with you, that printout or that handwritten schedule every single day, at least for the first few weeks while you're getting into your routine. So this is one that will be shared with all students in the secondary schools. And what it does is it basically breaks down your Monday schedule here, your Tuesday, Thursday schedule here, and your Wednesday, Friday schedule here. This may or may not work for you. Of course, we expect that these times students attend their classes. Your teacher will be discussing more about that with you in the first week of school. What I have shown here are breaks written in, lunch written in, and then, of course, that independent work time down below, which is also when your teachers are going to be hosting their office hours. So if you struggle with scheduling and organization, maybe you want to set a meeting with one of your teachers, maybe your advisory teacher, to help come up with a schedule that will work for you. So a couple other things about organization is it's really important for you to take breaks. So in between those classes, get up, stretch, go get a glass of water, use the bathroom. For when your classes are over, when it's lunchtime, log off your devices. Make sure you're giving time for your brain and your body to rest from all of this online learning and all of these classes that we are going to be completing together. Some tips I have in order to best manage your time is I recommend that you check your email in the morning before advisory and also at the end of the school day. Turn your work in on time. So make sure that when you're looking at those weekly planners, which your teacher is going to share, your teachers are going to share with you, that you know when your work is due and that you also know how to get a hold of your teacher if you're going to need an extension on those assignments. I recommend you check your grades weekly in Synergy and that you go to office hours if you need any help.